Students, today we'll start the plane mirror reflection. As you know, reflection means that is the bounce back of light. So how the light bounce back from the plane mirror, that we will today study. See, suppose this is one plane mirror, that is AB, and this light is coming, and this reflection is regular type of reflection, that you know. And plane mirror reflection, when you will see your face in the mirror, you will see the image. And image is which type? The virtual image. You know, virtual image which type? If this will be the object AB, virtual image also, that is the straight. But the real image, it will be opposite. Means that will be B and A. Instead of that will be here B, and here it will be the A. So in this plane mirror, the image is formed, that is the virtual image, not the real image. So that due to formation of this virtual image in the plane mirror, the lateral inversion, or we can say the lateral changing, that is found. The lateral change, just like suppose if you will see your body in the plane mirror, you will see your left hand, that will be seems to be the right hand. So the lateral inversion that happens in the plane mirror due to formation of the virtual image which is straight, and this virtual image cannot be plotted on the side, or we can say the virtual image that cannot be plotted in any screen. Now the multiple image, how it will be formed? For formation of multiple image, more than one mirror is required. Here I have taken two mirrors. Now suppose if two mirrors both are placed in an angular portion, this is the angle is taken as theta. So if you will place one object here, suppose here X mark, here is one object. This object's multiple image, one image will be found here, another image here, another here, this type you will be seen. How many types of the image will be formed, or we can say how many images in the multiple image, how many images will be formed, how we will decide? There one small numerical formula that you have to remind, which is that 360 degree by theta minus 1. By this formula you can easily determine, you can easily calculate how many images will be formed. Which type? 360 degree. The entire angle, this entire angle you know, that is the 360 degree. Theta is the angular portion, or we can say the angle which is made in between two mirror, that is the theta. Minus 1. Now why minus 1 that is taken? Because if you will put one object here, its one image will be formed in this junction point of these two mirror. So their one image will be removed. That means if suppose the angle in between two mirror is 60 degree, so that will be which type? 360 degree by 60 minus 1, that is 6. That means total 5 images will be formed. By this process, the multiple image is formed in this mirror. So this plane mirror reflection, here you have to study the image which is virtual, and it is showing the lateral inversion, and next is the multiple image, how it is formed.